capacity on power. Today, the Pacific Air Force aerial demonstration team has showcasing an incredibly powerful four-engine right-wing aircraft. It's more front-wing F-117 turbofan engines delivering over 160,000 pounds of thrust and full power and allowing the C-17 to take off in less than 2,000 feet. Today, we will start with a max performance takeoff, which you've just seen demonstrating the power of these engines. And the pilots for today, the demonstration is captained by Captain Kobe Apfel, Major Jimmy Simmons, Captain Alex Keller, and Major Stephen Leach. The extremely powerful engines of this magnificent strategic cargo aircraft. Great time for a photo opportunity as the aircraft comes from left to right. The C-17.
Quiet it was passing Show Centre there. Really gives the operators a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory. Now, alongside other qualities, then a pickup truck and redirects engine lift down at slow speeds, allowing the C-17 incredible control in our directed lift configuration. Now, these devices literally change the shape of the wing and are the key to its low final approach speed, enabling the aircraft to land and stop on short, improvised airfield.
Not only that, the engines has got massive thrust reversing capability, which also enables it to brake in a very short period of time.
It's a great opportunity right now for a photo of this stunning action. Now the C-17 will manoeuvre for a circle over the airfield. Now this shows its ability to fly at slow speeds.
Thrust reverses in the direct flow of air backwards and forwards. It avoids ingestion of dust and debris.
Now as the aircraft approaches from the left, notice the upturned wing tips or winglets. Now these decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. Now to give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, which is what Niels is talking about, winglets are nearly 9 feet tall and a tail
We do have one of these on static display as well, operated and owned by the Royal Australian Air Force, 36 Squadron, based at Avalon Air Base, Avalon. Please take the opportunity to go and have a look around and have a chat with the crew, because they will give you so much information. And you can have a look inside the aircraft as well. It is enormous.
And the aircraft's wide 170-foot long wings and hydraulically boosted controls, coupled with a high mounted T-tail, lets the C-17 maintain full maneuverability at those slow speeds. At the other end of the envelope, the C-17 is capable of sustaining almost 3 times the force of gravity at 400 miles per hour. Now, under those loads, the C-17 weighs more than a massive truck.
But this particular one has got the inscriptions of HH on the tail. And the question, where's that from? They're supposed to impose pause pants.
An entire redundant hydraulic system solely for the brakes. Now each of the C-17's mighty engines is fitted with a thrust reversing system. Now these reverses allow a rapid descent from altitude and allows the aircraft to further slow itself on landing. And on landing you can note how each engine opens and extends to seamlessly reverse. That's all there.
not only is it capable of forward motion, obviously in the air, but on the ground it can reverse.
Without the beaks. And coupled with the aircraft's directed lift capability, these systems allow the C-17 to safely land on those short dirt, ice, or even sand fields, which is amazing. Add air refueling and full night vision goggle integration, and the C-17 can deliver American night anywhere, anytime.
Great opportunity for a picture right now. Look at that. It's insane. Huge airplane. You just don't understand how those things can fly, really. They have got an enormous amount of lift, including lift from the actual belly of the aircraft.
Now on that final stroke, the aircraft was flying at 100